Hey there, ready to start your online journey? In today's video, I am going to walk you through the process of registering your very own domain name with GoDaddy and setting up DNS, all in just a few simple steps. Let's get started with registering your domain. Step 1 is finding your perfect domain. Head over to GoDaddy.com. On the home page, you will see a search bar where you can check if the domain name you want is available. In the search bar, I am typing a domain name niteshkumar.org, that's my name.org, and clicking on search button, and I get the list of available options. Type in the domain you are interested in and hit search. If it's available, great. If not, GoDaddy will suggest some alternatives that you can choose from. So let me search another domain, codingpractice.in. So it's also available. I am clicking on make it yours. Then I click on continue. GoDaddy will then offer additional services like email hosting. You can add them now or skip these extras for later. You can also choose the DNS registration period. In this case, I am registering for 1 year. If you are new to GoDaddy, you will need to create an account. Just fill in your details like your name, email and password. You are good to go. So I am creating my account with Google ID. Now you need to provide your billing information. You need to provide your name, address, mobile number, zip code, etc. And enter your payment details. And hit continue purchase. Congratulations! You have officially registered your domain. Now that your domain is registered, in your GoDaddy dashboard, you can find your new domain. You will have different options to manage your DNS. You can view your domain settings. So in the DNS management page, you can add or edit DNS records. Like A records, which point your domain to your website servers, or CNAME records, which create aliases for other services like email. Once you have updated your DNS settings, it may take up to 24 to 48 hours for the changes to take effect. This is called DNS propagation, and it's totally normal. And that's it. You have successfully registered your domain and set up your DNS with GoDaddy. You can manage your DNS by going through different tabs available in the portfolio section. So if you want to forward the request coming to your domain, you can do it through the forwarding tab. So you can edit the name servers record in the name servers tab. You can subscribe for premium DNS service. You can check the host names. So in the host names tab, you can define your custom name servers that you can use in this domain and other domains. So if you want an additional layer of protection to the DNS of a domain, you can turn on DNSSEC. Whether you are starting a personal blog, an online business, or anything in between, you are now one step closer to launching your website. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.